everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today is super exciting. I'm kicking off the first part of a 3-part epic series on restoring one of the most legendary aircraft ever built. This beast was literally found hanging in the middle of a dense jungle, forgotten for decades. But now, with the war long over, we finally have the green light to bring this icon back to life. Picture this. Deep in the humid, overgrown jungle, vines wrapping around the wings, moss covering the fuselage like a blanket, and there she is, suspended, almost like she was waiting for us. Even after all these years of brutal tropical weather, relentless rain, and time trying to claim her, this plane still looks absolutely impressive. That classic silhouette? Untouchable. But yeah, the climate has definitely taken its toll. Let's start with the cockpit. It's in rough shape. Most of the instruments are damaged, windows shattered, panels cracked and faded. We are being super careful as we climb in, brushing away layers of dust, checking the control yokes, pedals, throttles, everything. The metal body still has that legendary presence, but it's clear, before this bird can ever think about flying again, we need to completely overhaul the cockpit with new gear, wiring, and avionics. So we did what any passionate team would do. We carefully transported her out of that jungle hell and brought her straight to our workshop. Now the real work begins, full disassembly. We are going to strip her down to the bones, restore every single part, and rebuild her stronger than ever for flight. First step, thorough inspection. We are cataloging what's salvageable, what's toast, and what just needs some love. Hunting for dents, corrosion spots, stress cracks, you name it. We gather every tool we'll need, wrenches, sanders, degreasers, the works. Then we start cleaning and greasing components. Moving parts that haven't turned in decades suddenly get fresh life. After that deep check, we turn our attention to the engine. We pull out old maintenance logs, blueprints, historical docs, cross-referencing everything to see if this power plant can be revived or if we are looking at a full rebuild. Once the initial cleaning is done, wow! The difference is night and day. She already looks so much better. But rust? Still everywhere. Time to break out the sanding machines. Watch this. Layer by layer, that dull, pitted surface starts shining like polished silver. We pressure wash off decades of dirt, then hit the stubborn stains with specialized chemicals. Slowly but surely, the original metal is fighting its way back. This is only part 1, guys. We are just getting started. In the next videos, we'll dive into the paint, stripping the old faded schemes, fixing every dent and ding, prepping for fresh coats. We'll deep clean the cockpit, vacuuming out grime, detailing every gauge and switch until it looks factory fresh. Primer goes on next, sealing everything up, making sure she's structurally perfect and ready for the final beauty treatment. Fast forward a bit, after all the rust removal and polishing, look at her now, shining like a silver giant under the workshop lights. We inspect for every last scratch, clean the wooden floorboards that somehow survived over 100 years of neglect, and tackle the greasy buildup on controls and linkages. Shout out to White, 2007, for some of the historical context on these old birds, super helpful reference. Engine bay gets the same treatment, full teardown, clean every passage, inspect pistons, cylinders, accessories. If a part is still solid, we reuse it to keep that authentic soul. If it's beyond saving, out it goes, replaced with modern spec equivalents that meet or beat original performance. That's it for part 1. Massive thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, drop a comment telling me which legendary plane you want to see restored next, and stay locked in for part 2. We are bringing history back to the skies. See you soon.